Welcome to RM tutorial. Open browser. The link is in the description. Click Show Download Link. Now type this code in the box. Submit. Wait. Choose one of these. Here is file size. Scroll down. Click Download. Click here. Choose drive where you want to save. Start download. Now download process is start. Here's downloaded ISO file. If you haven't Power ISO, download link in the description. Here is the download link. Now ISO file is extract. Done. This is files. Open. Click Setup. Uncheck. Not right now. Next. This PC can't run Windows 11. If you have this problem, download this file. Link is in the description. Click Download. I already downloaded. This is file. Now extract this file. Now open. Copy. Open Windows 11 files. Open sources. Now paste here. Now open again Setup. Click Next. Now all is done. Click Install. This is Windows 11 screen. Here is Windows 11 Home. Enjoy your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.